So find the future value using the future value formula for $8,500 at 4 and 5% compounded quarterly for 6 years. So what is given actually? What is the future value? So we do have a future value. Let's write it down here actually. So future value, which is A, is equal to phi 1 plus RT. Remember, this is what we used for last problem. So this one is straightforward. It seems like this is a simple interest. By the way, there is something here important. So let's highlight it actually, what is given here though. So this is the principal down here, and this is the rate, and that's the year, and this is one extra stuff is given here. This is says compounded quarterly. So what we have so far in this case, we have phi is equal to, let's take a look, phi is 8,500, and we do have a rate which is 4.5%, and we do have a year which is a time, t is 6 years. Also, there is one extra thing we have here, compounded quarterly. So in this case is periodically, which is n equal to 4. So n equal to 4. Now we have one extra information, therefore we cannot use this formula here. So it's going to be a little bit, this is good for annually. If it's compounded annually, that is be fine actually. So we have to come up with a different formula here actually. Okay, so what is that formula? Is going to look like that. So we have a total amount, principal, open parenthesis 1 plus r over n. Remember, n is flying here, so n, r divided by n, close parenthesis, n times t. This is the exponent actually. So all we have to do, we just plug this in actually. So this is also coming from the simple interest formula. When it gets compounded, it have a different shape. So we are going to actually substitute everything. So well, what we are going to substitute down here, we are going to substitute here, for example, this one down here goes to phi, and of course rate is going to be around here, and t is going to be right down here, and n, which is quarterly, that is going to be both on top. So let's plug this in and see we can get our answer. So 8,500, so we have 8,500, open parentheses 1 plus n over d, 4.5%. This is beautiful actually. And going down through the arrow, 4 on the bottom, go to the right, make sure arrow right, otherwise going to be syntax error, close parentheses, and we hit this button here for exponent. This is the button for exponent power. Anything is not power more than 2, we just hit that power cap button here. So 4 times 6, bingo, we enter it, and we're supposed to have our answer ready. So we are going to have, we have 11,117 and 93 cents. How can we round it up in the calculator? I'm going to show you right here. Mode, go to float, and 100 plus 2, enter, clear, enter. That's 93 cents. $11,117.93. Now, if we don't have this calculator, how we are going to do that? We're going to give up? No, we are going to go through the FAMDAS. So any calculator is going to work. So first we have to work through the decimal here, the rate. So we convert it to decimal. So I can actually do this here. I can put down 0.045. Again, I can even do this actually here. 4.5 divided by 100. Symbol tells you that we have to divide by 100. So that's 0.05. Again, it don't confuse it here because it's fixing, it's rounding to the 100 place. That's why we see this. So divided by, just keep it like that. So divided by 4, then we enter, plus 1, enter, then we're gonna hit the exponent button or power button. If you don't have this power button actually, so you can use the parentheses here, otherwise it's gonna be syntax error. So, or you can just type it, 4 times 6 is 24. That's much easier actually, 24, and enter, times by 8,500, enter. Look, exactly same thing we have. So whether we have this calculator or we don't have this calculator, we can still plug it in here and get the answer accurately.